What's going on, you guys? It is Joshua Zitting, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a little secret hack. It's one of our little secrets that we decided that we wanted to share with you guys. We've been utilizing this tool for about a year now, and it is just absolutely a game changer when it comes to designing for all sorts of things. So for those of you that have been through our e-commerce courses, you know that a big portion of what we do is print on demand, okay? But I wanted to talk about Placeit, you guys, because this is just an incredible tool to have in your arsenal. It's extremely inexpensive, and what we're utilizing for is basically everything that we do in our e-commerce businesses. So first of all, it is a design tool, you guys. So for instance, if you want to make t-shirts, if you need logos for your Facebook page, for your brand, for your YouTube channel, okay, you literally have everything inside of Placeit. So I wanted to do a breakdown for you guys for really in-depth look at the software, but also how we're utilizing it inside of our businesses, because it really is game-changing. I think that for those of you that don't have the money to invest in having designers, you can literally get an entire business off the ground using this tool. So first of all, I wanted to talk about, let's talk about logos, right? There's tons of different logos that these guys have pretty much pre-done inside of this tool. And so one of the things that I wanted to talk about too is not just how you yourself can create unlimited designs that you can put onto print-on-demand products and throw them up on Shopify, on Etsy, on Amazon. You can run the gamut with this tool. You can literally create anything with it. So, but the other thing that you can do that a lot of people don't think about, and I myself have a team of people that do this, as well as I see this done all the time. You guys, Fiverr.com. I'm sure most of you, if not all of you, have heard of this at this point. You can create what's called a drop service business, okay, with this product. Now, what we've been doing and what I've seen other people do with drop servicing is they do what's called Fiverr arbitrage, okay? And what that is you can come into Fiverr and look for logo design. And this video is going to be a little lengthy, you guys, but it's because I really think this is valuable for you. So there's a couple different things that you can do, right? You've got all these different logo designers inside of Fiverr. And what's great is they've done the groundwork for you. You can literally see how they've based their pricing. So a basic logo, a standard logo, and a premium logo, all the way up to $95, you guys. And that's because it comes with a vector file, high resolution, so you can literally see exactly how they're setting up this business and how they're doing it. And if you look at, you guys, these logos, they're not that intricate. It's just most people online don't realize that you can utilize tools like Placeit to actually make logos. So as you scroll through here, like, look at how cool some of these logos are, right? And the great thing about it is, when you click into it, you can create multiple different versions. So what's great, if you came over to Fiverr, and let's say that you guys are struggling in e-commerce and you don't have money for ads, like, I would say go set up some drop servicing products on Fiverr where you offer these services for people, okay? And they'll pay you, anywhere from $25 to $95 to create logos for their business. And Placeit, I think, is like $14 a month. Well, you can come in here and you can essentially create everything inside of this tool. So first of all, I'm not logged in, so hold on one second. Let me log in. Okay. So for instance, if you didn't want this to have a background, you can just change this to no background. Right? And now you've got just a PNG file of this particular product or logo, okay? So again, when you're going through these different types of logos, obviously if the company is in a specific niche, right? So look up here. This is really cool. They've got abstract logos, restaurant logos, real estate logos, doctors, maintenance companies, fitness, YouTubers, okay? So if you came into real estate, what's cool is it's going to give you a whole bunch of different logos that are already created that you get to customize yourself. You can put the client's information in here. You can put their brand, and ultimately what you would do is you would export it without a background. You would export it as a PNG file, and you can create multiple options for it for that user. So again, just you could be making $25 and this would take you like no time to change. And then you export. So the way to go above and beyond and how to beat out these other guys on Fiverr is they're going to send 3 initial concepts, you send 5, right? Boom, right out the gate. You've got a listing that can outdo a lot of these other people on Fiverr. And again, follow the way that these guys have set up their pricing, because most of them stay kind of right inside that wheelhouse. And you can take their copy, right, and rewrite it in your own language. So ultimately, don't just rip these off, you guys, and copy and paste. I definitely wouldn't do that. But just copy it, paste it in, and then rewrite it in your own language for your own listing. Okay, that's one thing that you could do. You could have multiple things going for just logo design in this case, right? And be making an additional side income that's really, really easy to do. Now, the other thing being, we obviously make this stuff for t-shirts, right? So if you have an idea for a t-shirt design, okay, so you can actually come into t-shirt templates and look at all of these designs, you guys, and look at over here on the left-hand side. They've got coffee mugs, they've got LinkedIn banners, they've got greeting cards, everything that you can possibly think of to make a design. And all you have to do is customize it. Now, again, I wouldn't take the exact design and throw it on something, because that's what every other lazy freaking person is going to do. All you have to do is customize it a little bit, you guys. Change it, make it your style, and you can do a lot of different stuff with this. So, again, what I would do is go over to Etsy and search fun beer shirts, right? So literally, you can come over to Etsy.com, funny beer shirt. May contain alcohol, right? Beer me. Yes, I'm drunk. Don't worry, be hoppy. Okay, so like you could take this saying, don't worry, be hoppy. Look at the star ratings, you guys, and how many orders this particular store has gotten. And you can take that saying, you can come over to Placeit, and you can literally take this design and just alter it, make it your own, right? So right here where it says, wish you were here, don't worry, be hoppy. Check that out, you guys. Don't worry, be hoppy. And then what you do is take this background, remove it. Boom. You have a logo now for a t-shirt, right? You export this, download it, upload it into Printful, put it on a shirt, put it on a hoodie, put it on whatever you want. Like, ultimately, you can do everything with this. Now, this is where I got excited about this, because I do a lot of YouTube, as you guys know. So there's all sorts of templates. In fact, at the end of this video, you guys, you're going to see a little closeout screen. All of my screens, all of my intros, my cool animation intros that I do for my videos, you guys, I've been doing it in Placeit. Like, that's all there is to it. Every single thing that you can think of, like, there's gamers that have gaming channels on YouTube. You can make cool intros and outros. So if you're running a YouTube channel, or if you just want your videos to look super professional, like when you do product videos that you upload to YouTube, you throw a little logo intro in front of it, right? And make your videos look super professional. But again, here's the other thing. You can come over to Fiverr, these services are being offered you guys for these really cool intros and outros. And you can set up a service inside of Fiverr and you guys can sell these services. So check it out, $50 for a full one intro with overlay text, add logo, background music, sound effects. Well, guess what? Inside of Placeit, it comes with music already. So it has the music. It's got, all you do is you upload a logo. So what you would do is on Fiverr, you have the person that orders from you send you their logo, or if they need a new logo, what are you going to do? You're going to offer them your service to make a logo, right? So you could turn this service, say that they order the $55 service, but they also need a logo made for $35. All of a sudden, you've almost made $100, you guys, and it will take you less than 10 minutes to do the whole job, okay? So who in the heck can make $95 an hour when, well, it's not even an hour, it's like 10 minutes. So when you understand that, like, you'll start to understand all the different things that you can actually do with this product. Now, here's the other cool thing. All of our stores, we don't just upload the printful generic like images, you guys, with the logos. So check this out for mock-ups. All this stuff, if you have a design, you can upload it into their design creator and it will overlay it on all these images of these people. So for instance, if you're designing a brand new hoodie and let's say that you've used Placeit to create a cool hoodie, right? You can then upload that to these different mock-ups and automatically you've got your product on models. You guys, the amount of money that this has saved us over the last year is insane. You've got professional video creation, you've got professional logo creation, you've got t-shirt designs, so you don't have to actually hire a designer anymore. And then on top of that, you've got every single model that you could possibly need. So if you need Asian models, black models, Hispanic, white, if you want them in activewear, back to school, like adults, kids, youth, you've got it inside of here. There's couples photos. So this one tool, finding this one tool has made just a massive difference for our business on multiple levels. It actually created multiple streams of income for our company, and we've got people doing this full time. So at the end of the day, this one tool, when you look at what does it typically cost to have a design made from a designer? It's anywhere from $50 to $100, and that's if you're on the cheap end. And half the time you get back stuff that, quite frankly, is crap. So that's the other thing that's going to set you apart, you guys. I don't know if you've ordered on Fiverr before, but a lot of the stuff you get back is garbage. And I don't mean to diss on people that are putting stuff up on Fiverr, but the nice thing about if you were to run a service like this is that you can create actual quality for these business owners, and they are getting excited about it. That's the best part. Now, if you're outside of Fiverr, let's say that you offer this service on Upwork, you guys, our company, just for a logo, video, package, you guys, and t-shirt designs, like a lot of times we're charging minimum $300 to $500 and sometimes more. Like if a company wants multiple things designed, it can be up to $1,000. And we literally are able to come in and do the work in less than a day and return that to the client, within a few days. Like we don't just rush it and get it out to them. We actually take some time to deliver that product, 2 or 3 days. But they're gladly paying $400 or $500 for this stuff. And it took us, a couple of hours maybe for everything when it comes down to it. And for a $14 a month tool. So you guys do the math on that. I don't have to sit here and do it for you. But yeah, so for videos, you guys, here's the other thing is video ads obviously are huge, right? Well, this tool does all of it for you. So it has your video ads. It's got YouTube end screens. It's got t-shirt videos, Facebook covers, photo slideshows. I mean, everything that you guys need for your social media promotion. And then everything on the creative side, you can do all within inside of this one tool. So that's it, you guys. That's basically my walkthrough on Placeit. I think that you guys should definitely check it out. There's a link right below this video. And any of you guys that do actually sign up for Placeit, let me know, because if you shoot me a message on Facebook, let me know that you have actually signed up for it, because I've got some free bonuses for you guys that are going to teach you guys even more in depth how to utilize this tool and how we're making money with it. So definitely, if you're going to sign up for it, if you see value in it, if you don't, no big deal. But if you do see value, definitely make sure that you go through our link and send me a message after you sign up, and I'll get you those bonuses so we can get you guys rocking and rolling. All right. I hope it helps, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.